We got a rocket going into space. Cordy's seen it out the bathroom window. I said, look at that going straight up. I said, yeah. Look at her. That'd be south by west about maybe 5, 8 degrees, 10 at the most. Yeah, she's going up, eh? Up into space, man. I wonder if that, I said to Cordy, I wonder if that was one of Musk's rockets. Man, it's hard to see, but I know it's in the camera. I don't want to go too low or we're going to get the sun. There we go, right there. Wish I had the tripod. Whoa, there's the plume. Yeah, that's definitely a rocket. I wonder if that's one of Elon Musk. I was just watching some stuff on him. Wants to send people into space. Just normal people. He's got the money. He can do whatever he wants. Yeah, but there it is. The plume. The bloom. And the fume. She's definitely on her way up. I'm going to sit back on the bed and see what happens. Yeah, we got the sun right in our eyes. Yeah, and there's the roof. Oh, that's the soffit. Neat, eh?
That's beautiful.
Anyways, it's going up too high now. The sun's blocking it out. But there it is. The roof line go down. It's hard to see in the camera like this. Anyways, that's its folks. Take her back. Pan out, pan out, pan out. That's pretty wild. To see up in the country, see a rocket going into space. Boy, I almost got to get right on the floor here. Whoa, oh yeah. You'd have to go outside now. It's straight up. That's freaking wild.
It sure is, man. I'm blown away. I
wonder if I go outside here. Drop the camera. And then I'm going to drop my glasses off my head. There, now they're gone.
I wish I had the phone on just to get
I wish I could see. The sun's just doing it right, and I can't even see what I'm doing there. Go straight out and hope to catch something up there. I don't even know if I'm in the, like I said, the sun's just blinding me. That's definitely, though, definitely something we caught going into space. Like I said, probably Elon Musk's. I'm waiting for Star X. This explorer, it just doesn't do the trick, people. Oh, it's slow. 119 or 20 bucks or whatever it is a month. 2.5 megabytes a second. Blah. Anyway, she's straight up. I can't, like I said, I can't even lean out that far. But we got a rocket going up. Cool. What is it, Tuesday the 2nd of February?